Good morning. I am Srinivasan Silvaraji. My mobile number is, I am speaking from India. My country code is +91 and my mobile number is 75502 46567 and my organization name is SSI Embedded Foundations, India, Chennai. Our email ID is ssembeddedchennai@gmail.com. Basically, we are doing research and development of embedded system and embedded devices, and also we are providing professional embedded system training for all the people, those who are searching job and those who are doing research and development and those who are needed to start business. We are giving full-fledged training in embedded system, 100% practical oriented, direct and online training also we are providing. If you are interested, please call at mobile number +91 75502 46567 or email ssembeddedchennai@gmail.com. And also in this audio video, if you have doubt, you can call us. Today we will see parallel slave port in PIC 16f877a microcontroller. The parallel slave port is not implemented on PIC 16f873a and 876. It is implemented only in 877a and 877. Port D operates as an 8-bit wide parallel slave port or microprocessor port. When control bit PSP mode TCE 4th bit is set in slave mode, it is asynchronously readable and writable by the external world through read bar control input pin. RE0 read bar is there and WR write bar control input pin, RE1 write bar pin, A and 6 pin is there. The PSP parallel slave port can directly interface to an 8-bit microprocessor data bus, another microcontroller or microprocessor. The external microprocessor can read or write the port D latch as an 8-bit latch. Setting bit PSP mode enables port pin RE0 read bar to be the read input, RE1 write bar to be the write input and functionality. The corresponding data direction bits of the TRISC register must be configured as inputs. You should set the AD port configuration bits PSFG3, PSFG1, PSFG0, ADCON1 must be set to configure pin RE2, RE0 as digital I/O. Because we are transmitting the data in parallel slave, parallel is digital only. There are actually two 8-bit latches, one for data output and one for data input. The user writes 8-bit data to the port D data latch and reads the data from the port pin latch. In this mode, the TRISC register is ignored since the external device is controlling the direction of data flow. A write to the PSP occurs when both the chip select CS bar and write bar lines are first detected low. When either the chip select or write bar lines become high, that is level trigger, the input buffer full IBF status flag bit is set on the Q4 clock cycle, following the next two Q2 cycle to signal the write is complete. The interrupt flag bit PSP IF is also set on the same Q4 clock cycle. IBF can only be cleared by reading the port D input latch. The input buffer overflow status flag bit is set if a second write to the PSP is attempted when the previous byte has not been read out of the buffer. A read from the PSP occurs when both the CS chip select and read bar lines are first detected low. The output buffer full status flag bit is cleared immediately, indicating that the port D latch is waiting to be read by the external bus. When either chip select bar or read bar pin becomes high, the interrupt flag bit PSP IF is set on the Q4 clock cycle following the next Q2 cycle, indicating that the read is complete. OBF remains low until data is returned to port D by the user firmware. We will see the block diagram of parallel slave port. See block diagram of parallel slave port. Port D and port E, block diagram of parallel slave port. So IO pin is there, RDX pin is there. Okay, it is connected to TTL buffer and it goes to D latch. From the D latch, output Q is connected to a tri-state buffer and it is connected to data bus. Same way, data bus connected to another D latch. The D latch output Q is connected to tri-state buffer. Tri-state buffer output is connected to IO pin. In this way, you can parallelly send the data and you can receive the data using port D and port E. If you have any doubts, you can call at mobile number +91 755 0246 and you can send the mail ssembedchennai@gmail.com. If you are interested to join embedded system training program, you can call me also. We will provide with, if you are within India, we will provide with placement. If you are not within India, outside that is foreign countries, you will get full-fledged training. Automatically you will get the job. Thank you.